Hi, I'm Daniel with Findling on the divorceguy.com. In almost every Michigan divorce case, the topic of moving out of the house must be addressed at some time or another. Now, in many cases, the decision to move out occurs after we settle the case or after trial, and there's an agreement as to how one party will move from the marital home, or if we're selling the marital home, whatever the case may be. But there are some considerations that you should take into account when making the decision to move out of the home during the divorce proceedings. Now, rest assured, safety is paramount. All of the considerations that I'm talking about are not trumped by the safety of a party. And if the safety of a party is a concern, then what we need to do in that instance is address that concern. And there are some tools in our toolbox, whether it's police intervention or even a personal protection order, which often has the same effect of getting exclusive use of the marital home, because when a personal protection order is entered, one party is generally prohibited from contacting or remaining in the home during the divorce proceeding. Now, it really leads to the next conclusion, and that is, if you forcefully want to have somebody removed from the marital home, when I say forcefully, legally, the best mechanism would be to file a motion for exclusive use of the home with the court. You really have to provide some legitimate reasons why it would be appropriate. Not that I just don't want to live with them anymore, but maybe there's concerns about stability of the family unit. Now, there's some financial considerations that you should take into account prior to moving from the marital home. First, recognize that with limited income, whether you had two incomes at one time, making payments towards a marital home or an apartment or a condominium, whatever the case may be, if one party decides to move out, that same limited income is now it's now paying for two homes. So it's much more expensive. There's synergies that take place when parties live together. You don't have to buy 2 gallons of milk. 1 gallon of milk would suffice. In addition, there's some considerations with minor children. That is, specifically, if this is a case involving child custody and a parent wants to move from the marital home without the children, it will impact what we call the established custodial environment, and in simple terms, it will impact a custody determination. If there's an established custodial environment with one parent, and you can visit our website on child custody and established custodial environment for more resources on the topic. But if there's determined that there's an established custodial environment with one parent, that is, the children look to one parent for the regular necessities of life, let's say the parent remaining in the marital home, it's very difficult to modify custody from that threshold. I'm Daniel Findling with Findling Law and divorceguy.com. Of course, if you have additional questions or concerns regarding a decision to move out of the house, whether it's prior to filing for divorce or after filing for divorce, we're here to help you, and we're ready to help you now. As I reach to say, have a great day and thank you for visiting.